Hello guys, and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to automatically create slides from text using Tome AI on your Windows PC quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and head to Tome AI website. Log into your account or sign up if you haven't yet. Next, click New Story and select a template or choose blank to start fresh. Now, copy the text you want to turn into slides. This can be a report, note, or any written content. Paste it directly into the main editor area. Once your text is ready, find and click the Generate Slide button. Tome will instantly analyze your text, create slides based on key points, adding suggested images and layout automatically. After the slides are generated, review them carefully. You can edit titles or bullet points to make your message clearer. Also, feel free to rearrange or remove any unnecessary slides. Then, customize the design by swapping images or adjusting colors and fonts using the design tools to match your style. Finally, review your presentation to make sure everything flows well. When satisfied, export your slides as a PDF, PowerPoint, or share a link to present online. And that's that. Remember to always break your text into smaller paragraphs before pasting. This helps Tome AI create clear, concise, more organized slides. And that's it, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.